Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into a bit of a botanical mystery, something lots of gardeners probably run into, a strange little seedling just appearing.
Right. Unexpected guests in the garden.
Exactly. And you shared some notes from a gardener about finding one like this. So our mission really is to look at the clues this tiny plant gives us. Clues about, what it is and how it even got there.
Mm-hmm. It's often these unexpected things in nature that are the most intriguing, isn't it?
Coley. They spark that curiosity. So the setup is this. A home garden, probably quite tidy, plants bought from a nursery.
A typical scenario.
And the gardener notes finding seedlings sometimes. And the assumption is always, well, it must be from the plants already there.
Right. That's the usual thinking. A nearby parent plant drops seeds. Simple propagation.
Little baby plants popping up near mom and dad. Makes sense.
It's the most direct explanation, definitely.
But here's the twist. The seedling.
Hmm.
It looked different. It didn't match the neighbors.
Ah, okay. So not just a smaller version of something nearby.
No. And thankfully, the notes you gave me have some really specific details. You can almost picture this unique little guy.
Yes, the observations are quite meticulous. Let's break them down. First, the leaf shape. It's described as lance shape.
Lance-shaped, meaning long and pointy.
Exactly, like a little spearhead. Long, tapering to a point. It's a distinct shape. Sometimes it relates to how the plant handles sunlight or water.
Huh. Interesting. So not your standard round leaf. Okay, what else? The arrangement?
Yes, how the leaves attach to the stem. The notes say they grow in pairs directly opposite each other.
Opposite. Why does that matter? Aren't leaves sometimes just sort of staggered?
They often are. That's called an alternate arrangement. Seeing them directly across from each other in pairs is a key identifier. It helps narrow down the plant family possibilities quite a bit, you see.
Okay, opposite arrangement. Got it.
Mhm.
And the last detail was about the veins, wasn't it?
Correct. The vein pattern, described as pinnate.
Pinnate, like feather.
Precisely. A strong central vein running up the leaf, with smaller veins branching off to the sides along its length. And the notes mention this pattern was really clear, even on such a tiny leaf.
Wow, yeah, that suggests it's pretty well defined from the start.
It does. It points to an organized internal structure already. So, just to recap the clues, lance-shaped leaves,
Pointy ones?
growing in opposite pairs,
Directly across from each other.
with that clear, feather-like pinnate vein pattern.
Okay, so putting those three things together, what's the takeaway? It's clearly not just a random baby from the nursery plants next door.
Exactly right. That specific combination allows us to confidently say it's something different. It rules out many common garden varieties straight away.
So it's a genuine mystery guest.
While we can't say exactly what it is without, seeing it grow or maybe even genetic testing these days, those characteristics tell us it has its own distinct identity and origin story.
It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How do these things travel? Wind? Birds carrying seeds? Maybe hitched a ride in the compost?
All possibilities. Seeds are incredible travelers. Wind dispersal, animal transport internally or externally, even water can carry them. This little seedling is like a tiny postcard from somewhere else.
A postcard. I like that. It hints at a journey we can only guess at.
And that's part of the wonder, I think, the constant movement, the hidden life just waiting for the right conditions. Even a small garden can be a stage for these ecological dramas.
So as we wrap up this particular deep dive, the key clues from our mystery seedling are those lance-shaped leaves, the opposite pairing on the stem, and that distinct pinnate venation.
Those are the core identifiers we gleaned from the notes.
It definitely encourages you to look a bit closer next time you see an unexpected plant, maybe in your own garden or even a crack in the pavement.
Absolutely. Notice the details, the shape, the arrangement.
Think about the journey it might have taken. And I guess the final thought is, what will this little seedling become? That story is still unfolding, isn't it?
Indeed. The ongoing mystery of nature, right there in the garden.